In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Truist bank account online in 2025. Whether you're switching banks or just opening your first account, doing it online is a breeze, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to Google. Type in Truist Bank. It should be the first search result, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you straight to the official Truist Bank website, which is the starting point of our journey today. Once you're on Truist's homepage, look for the Start Application button. This is what you'll need to click to initiate the account opening process. The site will guide you smoothly, but just in case you're wondering, yes, this is the correct step to take. A prompt may appear asking if you are an existing customer. Click No to move forward as a new user, unless, of course, you have an existing relationship with the bank. After this, you'll be asked to enter your zip code. This is important for determining the products and services available in your area, so make sure it's accurate. Next, you'll see an option for entering a promo code. This step is optional, but if you have a code, it's a good opportunity to make use of it. If you don't, simply click Continue to proceed. The following page will offer you additional services or products. You might want to consider them, but for now, you can click No Thanks, Skip for Now, to focus solely on opening your account. Now it's time to enter your personal details. Begin with your first and last name, ensuring everything is spelled correctly. You'll then select your citizenship status. Remember, accuracy is key here. Your birth date will be the next piece of information required. Fill it in and move on to entering your social security number. You'll be asked to confirm it by entering it again, so do be careful to avoid any typos. Next up is your phone number and email address. Providing accurate contact information will ensure you get timely updates and important notifications regarding your account. You will then be prompted to select your employment status. This could range from employed to self-employed or even retired, so choose the one that fits your situation best. Once all your data is in, you'll be asked to review Truist's terms and conditions. Ensure you have read and understood everything before you check the box to agree to their certifications. Click Continue after entering all required information, and you'll be directed to the Account Options section. You're almost there as you finalize the details for your preferred type of account. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your selections and details, you'll reach the confirmation page. This is where you can double-check everything before submission. After confirming everything is correct, you'll have successfully opened a Truist bank account online. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate the Truist online account opening process step by step. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new banking services.